Hi folks, I'm going to share some of my tools that enhance your workflow in TouchDesigner and may speed up you in a way that's familiar and efficient. The first component I want to introduce adds tabs to the TouchDesigner UI, making it more convenient and faster to navigate through your node networks. You can use the mouse and UI buttons to add new tab and close it. The same with Ctrl T and W. But the most efficient way is to hold Alt while using any default TD action that changes the current location. This opens it in a new tab. That includes built-in default double-clicking, I to get inside, and U for jumping to upper level. The Pathbar and bookmark. To move even faster, I've also added navigation with single click and Shift Ctrl Tab. If you click in a component, you jump into it. And if you click somewhere else, you jump upper level. Alt works with it too, to open it in a new tab. It's mostly extremely convenient if you're on a laptop or a touchpad. And yeah, you can switch between tabs using Ctrl Tab or Alt Tab on macOS. For now it doesn't switch based on history, just moves left and right. Maybe I'll implement it later if somebody needs it. That's all. I hope you find it useful. Leave me some feedback and share your ideas how to improve it even further. Be faster and have fun. See ya.